Hi, this is Eric with TechShop. Crank up the compressor because I've got another air tool to spotlight in today's tool showcase. What I've got is the AIRCAT Model 805 HT22 3/8 long reach air ratchet, and the HT stands for high torque. As a matter of fact, I'm talking about 130 foot-pounds of maximum torque. The extended reach drive shaft is the other staple of this model and adds an often needed versatility. The ergonomically designed grip and trigger design has a comfortable feel, and the exhaust rotates 360 degrees. It also has an extra large ratchet head for durability and features a 200 RPM free speed. I've already installed an air fitting and put a few drops of oil in it, so let's hook it up and see how it does. Let me tell you, this is a ratchet that's got some power behind it. If I had to give it a nickname, it would be Hang On with Both Hands. As always, don't forget to wear your safety glasses and remember to oil up your air tools before you put them away. This leaves a coating on the inside which drives away moisture and prevents corrosion. For more information about this and any of AIRCAT's many other tools, visit aircat.com. That's it for today, and don't forget to go to techshopmag.com for more tool showcase videos or subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss a single one. Thanks for watching TechShop's Tool Showcase. I'll see you next time.